Beautiful soul, Ma'am Alicia Ali. Good morning, Lay. Good morning to you, Lay. Thank you so much. Parang ingay na ano. Sino pa ba dito? Lay, good morning, Lay. Maraming salamat. Beautiful soul. How's life over there, beautiful soul? Kamusta na ang ating mga rides dyan, beautiful soul? And Lee Song Son, 5 thumbs up. Good morning, blessed. Anong araw ba ngayon? Blessed Wednesday. Thank you so much, Lay. Anong almusal natin yan, Lay? Thank you so much, Lay. Love, love, Lay. Thank you sa support dyan. And of course, to beautiful soul. Good morning, beautiful soul. Thank you so much po. Lee Song Son, thank you. Beautiful soul, kamusta ng whitey natin dyan? Laban-laban. Hey! Bruce, Dudong, how are you, Dong? Bruce, how are you, Bruce? Yo, here is the Guapa 100. Yeah. Thank you so much, Bruce. How are you, Bruce? Thank you so much, Bruce. How's life over there? Nike is my favorite. Oh, yeah. Me too. I like Nike and Adidas. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Ayan, Ma'am, may Bruce ka man. Oo, oo, gali na na. I forgot that I have Bruce. You too. You have Bruce Willis and here is Bruce Wayne the Grey. Bruce, thank you so much, Bruce, for coming, Bruce. You know how to speak guapa, ha? Ayun. Nangitim ang aking everything. Nangitim ang aking everything, beautiful soul, your highness, all are down arrow. Same here, beautiful soul. Diyos ko. Kaya Ma'am Alicia Ali, mag-ano-ano ka lang, Ma'am Alicia Ali, ha? Mag-ano ka lang, beautiful soul, tawag dito, ay, bakit buong magdamag tayo mag-whitey, beautiful soul, sige lang, Gora Bells lang. Oy, Lay. Ayan, Lay hugs daw from Bruce. Oy, Lay. Bruce, thank you so much, Bruce, ha? Did you watch my balot video, Bruce? Did you see my balot video? Okay. Bruce Wayne, beautiful soul. Thank you so much, guys. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. Yo. Yeah, happy Wednesday. Anong almusal muli? Ham and egg. Wow, so sarap. My soul is not beautiful. Beautiful soul, natawa ako. Oh, lol. Okay. My soul is not beautiful. I am the worst subscriber. Haha. OMG. I'm so, yeah. I will watch. I will watch. Did you chew on the bird? No, 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 no. Ew. No, I'm not eating the bird. It's not bird, chicken. It's a chicken. It's not a bird, you know. Yan, balik muna mi sa main bahay to live. Yeah. Sige na, beautiful soul. Punta ka na dyan, beautiful soul, sa bahay mo. Sige lang. Lady, thank you so much. Natawa ako sa... I'm laughing because Bruce said, my soul is not beautiful daw. Balot dak, yeah. Did you watch that? Oh, no. Thank you so much, guys. Please watch that, okay? Thank you so much. Beautiful soul, love, love. Gora Bells, beautiful soul. Mag-live lang kayo dyan. Araw, gabi. Live lang. Lay, thank you so much, love, love. And wait. The entire part that I think is hot is a woman eating the bird. No, I'm not eating the bird, you know. Lay, eating the bird daw. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Lay, thank you so much, Lay. Lay, sagutin mo naman si Bruce, Lay. Oh, dali na. You have Bruce Willis, Lay, but here in my life, I have Bruce Wayne the Grey. Bruce, thank you so much, Bruce. How's the Ferrari there? If woman will eat baby bird, she's very strong, very. Oh, the woman will eat the bird. Natawa naman ako, eat the bird. I cannot eat the balot. Yeah, I'm only peeling the balot, but I'm not eating it. You know, it's not good for my health. Okay, I am worried. I will be emotional about the baby bird. Oh yeah, Bruce. Yeah, thank you so much, Bruce. Ha? But you know, I'm not eating the balot. I only peeling that, and yeah. With Sheng, emotional damage siya. American people didn't eat balot. Am I right, Bruce? I think American people didn't eat balot. With Sheng,